Hello guys, hope you are doing good. In this session, we will going to discuss how to install Ubuntu Server 2022 and how can we configure Ubuntu Server. So guys, if you are first time viewer on my channel, please like, share and subscribe. So guys, now we are going to start installation. First we will going to create virtual machine. So just click on open the virtual VMware and click on create on virtual machine. Select the wizard type, virtual machine wizard type, just custom, just click on next. Hardware completes, and I will here there is a two options, install Diximent, so I will do it later. So just click on next again. And so Ubuntu or this its default operating system is default now Ubuntu I have selected. Just click on next again, and Ubuntu assign the name UB22 Ubuntu 22. So here I have selected Ubuntu 22 UB22 1D22. Just click on next, and now here is the processor configuration. So I will here assign the 4 processor. So just click on next. It's up to your requirement, and here you need to assign the memory. So I will here assign for testing. It's my testing environment. I will mostly in live environment you need to assign the more like 64 GB RAM, or mostly we are suggesting 128 or 64 GB RAM live environment. So I have selected here 5 GB RAM. So just click again next. So here you need to select the network type. So I will select the network type will be bridge according to my infrastructure. So just click on next, and here will be input output controller type. Just click on again next. It will be default recommended. So recommended type, this type is SCSI. Just click on next. There will be option disk. So just click on create virtual disk. So here the store virtual disk in a single file. Yes, I want and assign the, so I will here assign 60 GB. Just again click on next, and now you need to click on customize hardware, because I didn't select the ISO image. Just click on browse, and Ubuntu 2022 I will select the Ubuntu 22. Just click on close, and you need to click on finish. Once you will click on finish, there will be option. Once you need to press on power on this virtual machine. So I will click on power on the virtual machine. So now it will target to install. Now it will, so just try, just pressing the and it will be the targeted to install iOS virtual bootable system. So it's not starting the booting. So guys, if you want to make it full screen, just make it full screen like this, and its installation started. So now the next step, you need to select the language, which language you wanted to select. It's up to you. Mostly we are suggesting in English language. So in this same session, I will guide you how to enable static IP and how to assign static IP to the server. 2022 Ubuntu 2022 is the latest Ubuntu server. So guys, we need to wait while it's check the compatibility and complete the assign. And now here it will check the complete BIOS, your BIOS setup, and after the BIOS setup it will be start, installation will be start. So need to wait little more. So here you can check over here in the bottom, it's checking the system demos. When it will be completed, it will start the installation. It's taking little more time. So it's complete checking all the process. So you can check over here Ubuntu 22.04 LTS Ubuntu server TTY1 is now starting for installation. So I need to select the language, then First I will select the language, then I choose the keyboard, then after I will need, so here, so let's start the installation. So I have selected the English language as the default, so select the English language. So here the keyboard type will be US, so make it as a US, choose the keyboard, just done. Here, yeah, here there is a two option. Here it Ubuntu server, it will have all the software which is required to run and manage Ubuntu server smoothly. So I will select on only Ubuntu server. If I will select on a server minimize, it will just name suggest, it will have a minimum runtime footprint environment where humans are not expected to log in. So just click on, I have selected Ubuntu server, just click on done. So here is the option to configure network, and just here I'm going to select manual, edit IPv4. I'm working on IPv4, just select on manual, just click on manual, then you need to assign here static IP. So I'm here assigning the static IP 192.168.1.1.40. I have assigned the address 40, just click on gateway 192.168.1.1 is your gateway, then you will be name server 192.168.1.1. And if you are having such domain, just click on search, don't type your such domain, click on save. So it will apply the network. So just you need to click on done, just click on again next. Proxy setting, just click on next on the proxy setting, leave as default. If you there is a condition, if your system is running behind the proxy system, you need to select the proxy system, just click on done. So it will check the proxy setting based on current location and install automatically configure Ubuntu archive mirror. So it will done. Just click on done, and you need to here mirror check will be running. Continue, just click on continue. So use the entire, yes I am going to use the entire disk. So just click on done, and again here is the file system summary. Okay, I will go to done again. Here are you sure you want to, or you want to continue? Here this is the location where you can assign the profile setup. It's called profile setup. You need to type your name. So here server name ub22, and username will be same Jarik, and password, and select the password. Here I need to recheck is capital or small. So here Q. So here I will type again the password. Here type the password. Once password and profile setup, then you just click on done, and here you need to assign the complete here you Ubuntu Pro. Here you can check over here what the question is asking. So here once the profile done is you just need to click on continue, and now here is the installation, install OpenSSH server. In the following screen you can check promote OpenSSH server. Yes, I wanted to install OpenSSH, just click on just check yes, and click on done. Once you will click on done, again there will be option here. This is the optional option. Optional, you can check you can say it's a environmental check. Just click on done, just click on done. So now installation started. So once installation is done, you need to click on reboot. Just click on reboot. You can fill the screen. Just click on Control G and click on reboot. Once it will installation, now you see Ubuntu Server 22. 1.04 is because it's still script is still not finished. You need to wait a little more. So type your username. I have typed my name, and what is the password? You need to type the password. So you have successfully logged in your Ubuntu server. You can check the IP address, addr, your static IP. Just click on check the IP address. You can check over here the IP address is .40. You have static IP. So I will tell you how can you connect your SSH from to your Ubuntu server. Just open 40 any SSH secure cell 192.168.1.40. This is my static IP address for this Ubuntu server 22. Just click on open. You need to hear the potential security page. Just click accept and type username here and type the password. Once you I just will going to increase the size. It will be visible. Go to window, increase the layer size, and appearance will be, I need to change the appearance. It will be 16 will be visible, and click to apply. So here, and now I will check the show to you IP address. You can check, there is two kind of method. You can check the IP address, IP if config also you can check the IP address. So if config is not visible working on your IP address, from IP address you can check the static IP of your current server. So guys, here how can you, once you have installed your Ubuntu server 22, you first time if you have login, you need to update your server because new repositories or library need to update, and we need to update and upgrade the server. So how to update the server? To update, if you are, because not a sudo user, so I'm not a root user, so I need to type sudo apt get, or you can just type apt update and upgrade. Just press enter, and you need to type your password. So updation command and updating, now you are updating your server. So there is no any packages which is need to again, because here 12 package is upgraded. So this is the process to install Ubuntu server. Create virtual machine, install Ubuntu server, check the static IP, update your server. Guys, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.